In fairness, malaki yung allowance nila. Nakakaloka. Welcome back to my channel mga kapanalig, and for today's video, hihimayin nga natin yung application process sa Lufthansa Technic Philippines. So, unang-una, I want to greet LTP a happy 25th anniversary. So, ayan, they are celebrating their 25th anniversary this month. And maraming salamat sa lahat ng tulong na naibigay nyo sa mga Filipino aviators. Ayan. And of course, Lufthansa Technic Philippines is a joint venture between Lufthansa Technic and Macro Asia. They are located sa may Villamor Air Base, so Special Economic Zone. Guys, no walk-in. Paalala, walang walk-in. So, wag na kayong mag-try mag-walk-in to send your resume. Dito nyo masasend yung resume nyo. Nag-update naman sila pag may hiring sila, and makikita nyo na rin yung requirements sa post na to. So, sa application process naman, una is mag-send kayo ng application nyo, resume with documents needed. Second is your online assessment or online exam. So, English, math, logic, and then some get to know you questions like nagnakaw ka na ba before, ganyan. So, you just need to answer it in all honesty. And then third is your Mandex or your practical exam. After that will be your medical. And then after that, you'll have your interview. So, sa interview nyo naman is more about MTP, more about yourself, ganyan. So, after that, pag napasa mo na yung interview, ipapa-email na sa'yo yung mga government IDs like SSS, Pag-ibig, or government requirements. So, NBI, ganyan. And then, after that, you'll have your onboarding with contract signing and then uniform. So, ganun lang siya kabilis. It will take for about 1 to 2 months from your application process hanggang sa onboarding. So, eto na nga. Magkano ba yung allowance? So, sabi ko nga itong LTP, hindi sila nagko-collect ng fees. Sila yung magbibigay sa inyo ng allowance. So, ang initial allowance sa MTP is around 10,000 pesos. And then, after that, pag naipasa nyo yung MTP nyo, which the training will last for about 6 to 7 months, pag naipasa nyo yan, meron kayong around 16,000 pag pipirma na kayo ng probationary plus rice allowance. So, medyo malaki yung rice allowance nila, in fairness, 3,000 pesos. Ayan. So, nakakatulong siya. Yun lang, siguro sa AHOD-wise, baka sabihin nyo maliit, mahal pa yung tuition nyo yung college. Well, that's the reality in the Philippines. You need to build your career, and then after that, your experience, pag may experience tayo, you can go and try other stuffs. Yan, ganyan. So, ayun lang mga kapanalig, maraming salamat sa panonood at sa pagsuporta. So, all the best sa lahat ng mag-a-apply.